Here's how to make your home smell amazing this Christmas. You will need some essential oil. You could use anyone. You could use a lime. You could use vanilla. Anyone. You need a slice or two of lemon and some cloves as well. Just to get the lemon infused in the clove and make the entire mix more aromatic. You put the cloves into the lemon just like so in this video, like arrange it in the symmetrical form just around the lemon like I am doing here, and basically that's it. You need some cinnamon sticks, 1 or 2 pieces, and just place them in a heat resistant glass jar just like I have done in this video. You need to add some water, 3/4 full, 3/4 full basically. And lastly, I'm just putting that in there, the essential oil. So after you have done this, you just need to place in your floating candles, which you're gonna see after this scene. You place some if you place floating candle in the mix. And lastly, you want to just lit the candle up, and trust me, you're gonna love this. Your guests will be wowed and your home will thank you. Well, you're welcome. Just do me a favor, just subscribe to my channel, comment, share and like this video if you have gained something today. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas in advance, and I'll see you in my next one.